Hey, Sosfi, Hratch here. Have you ever wondered why our weather is becoming hotter and hotter by the day? Or have you ever wondered why the Silicon Valley housing prices are skyrocketing up? Well, there's a couple big reasons for this. One of them being is pollution. Pollution is creating global warming. Global warming creates hotter environment. For that reason, our daily climate is becoming hotter and hotter and hotter by the day. Also, with the amount of pollution, as in trash all over the area, for example, Half Moon Bay, that's taking a lot of space where a house is going to be. So higher demand equals more expensive. For that reason, I think I have the solution to all this problem. I have my super duper amazing invention called the Re-Smokifier Recyclable V26. It's unbelievable. You guys want to imagine. It took us 26 versions to do this. So, here we have our Re-Smokifier V26. Here, we see a conveyor belt putting the trash into a fire. The fire burns this trash, and the smoke goes around this aluminum-made tube-ish area. Over here, there's air that will push the smoke down. It'll go back here, and I don't know if you can see, but right here, there's a small area. And in this area, the smoke turns into some charcoal-like powder, and the charcoal-like powder reignites the fire. Therefore, we have a never-ending loop of burning trash. This way, pollution will not go into the air, and we won't have to dump trash into our land. Now, I know that sounds absolutely great, and it really is an unbelievable idea. But you must be wondering, how can this be possible? Like, what materials did you have to use for this to work? And again, this took months and years and decades of research. But we've got the answer for you. We've used aluminum. Aluminum is our main metal for this because aluminum is absolutely fantastic. Its physical properties are very unique and amazing as well. It has a silvery white color to it, which just makes it pretty overall. Also, aluminum is super soft and it's super ductile. You could bend it around left and right, put it into small sheets. It's amazing. And it doesn't even corrode. It has this small coat that does not coat above the metal that does not let the aluminum corrode. It's absolutely magnificent. And think of this. You think some metals melt fast? Sure, aluminum, over 1,000 Fahrenheit melting point. Boom! 1,221 Fahrenheit melting point? That's absurd. And it gets better. It even gets better. How? Come on, you gotta give props, aluminum. Its chemical properties does not allow it to rust. It rusts a little bit, but it's basically nothing. It doesn't rust that much. Aluminum is amazing. Think of rust. Iron rusts so fast. Aluminum doesn't rust that fast. And you think just because it's soft, it will always be soft? Think again. You could combine aluminum with other metals such as magnesium, and this will become Superman. It's super strong. You bend it, put some magnesium on that, combine it, and you got such a strong material. You bend it to the right pipelines for the pipe that I was talking about before. You bend it that shape with the magnesium. It's soft but so strong, and it's absolutely amazing. Now think of it. No more pollution, no more trash on the ground. The Silicon Valley, what? That's going to be called a dirt valley? It's dirt cheap now. That's amazing. Climate, San Francisco climate, it's going to be summer and the winter again. That's amazing. Then again, it's going to be winter in the summer, but let's not talk about that. And this, all we want is just, we're just some random people in the now called Dirt Valley. We're just some random people. So all we're looking for is a dirt cheap amount of $2,000. That's nothing to ask for. And I think a product like the Re-Smokifier V26, that should be instant, it's an unbelievable item and product that you have to buy. With this aluminum and magnesium combo, mainly aluminum though, I mean, it's so good. Like, it's amazing. You should buy it. 2000. Yeah.